The Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday evening, the 15th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weekend is here. Clouds. We turn cooler. Maybe a few sprinkles or flurries tomorrow night. No big issue. And next week, very cold air settles in here Monday. Let's discuss things. We'll start with the water vapor satellite view. A well-defined shortwave moving east of the state. That brought the rain earlier today. Big comma-shaped cloud over the eastern U.S. The rain moving up through the Carolinas. But clouds linger. That's the visible satellite view. Looks like some clearing down in southwest Alabama from about Demopolis down to Mobile, but the rest of the state is cloudy. We might see a little sun tomorrow, but probably not too much. Temperatures are in the upper 40s and low 50s. Birmingham at 51. Cullman 47. Gadsden 48. We'll expect a high tomorrow in the low 50s, then back in the upper 40s on Sunday. But the really cold air gets in here Monday. In fact, you can see a new surge of very cold Arctic air entering the northern states. And Monday's when you'll feel that. A good chance we stay in the 30s all day Monday from about Birmingham north. And a pretty hard freeze setting up for Tuesday morning with teens for most of the colder pockets. Watch warning map. Things relatively quiet. Just a few scattered winter weather advisories around the nation. Nothing going on here. Rain for the next 5 days. Not much now that the rain this morning is gone. Really just a few sprinkles tomorrow night. Other than that, we should be dry. This is valid through Wednesday evening. But just beyond this, we'll see another good chance of rain about Thursday of next week. And for the snow lovers, this is the chance of accumulating snow greater than 1 inch between noon tomorrow and noon Sunday. Nothing here. Very low percentages over parts of western North Carolina and northeast Tennessee. And again, for the snow lovers, there'll be opportunities, I think. The season is young, but prospects don't favor much. Maybe a flurry over the Tennessee Valley tomorrow night, and that's about it. Let's check the modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon, troughing to the west, down below that. It should be a dry day. The sky mostly cloudy, but again, the sun could peek out at times, and the high should be in the low 50s. Tomorrow night, here comes the next wave forming in the Gulf. This is midnight tomorrow night, 12 a.m. Sunday. And again, this is suggesting there could be a few flurries over the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama, maybe a few sprinkles around here. Sunday morning at 6 o'clock, the surface low is east of Daytona Beach. Precipitation mostly to the south and east. Now we check some of the other models. This is the North American mesoscale model, the 4-kilometer higher resolution run, valid at midnight tomorrow night. It's showing a few sprinkles north of Birmingham. This really suggests the thermal profiles won't be cold enough for any snow flurries there, just sprinkles of rain or drizzle. In fact, this is the snow accumulation coming off the NAM through noon Sunday. It's got nothing. Check the snow accumulation coming off the European Sunday. It's got nothing. And the Schreff Plume Viewer showing nothing. All members showing no snow for Birmingham, no accumulation. So, again, we'll mention a chance of flurries or sprinkles tomorrow night. Sunday, that wave is well off the Atlantic coast. We have a northerly flow, cool air advection beginning. We'll expect a high in the upper 40s in most spots, and a mixture of clouds and sunshine as dry air begins to work in. But the really cold stuff gets in here Monday. 1033 high near Kansas City. At midday, the freeze line is up around Huntsville. This is suggesting some folks near the Tennessee border could stay below freezing all day. The GFS is printing 37 for Birmingham, so maybe Interstate 20 and points north staying in the 30s all day. There's a look at the anomalies, very cold air, covering much of the eastern U.S., but this seems to be the last in the series of these cold air shots for a while. Tuesday. Again, Tuesday morning is going to be cold. Many locations around 20. Colder pockets go in the teens. But the high will be in the 40s and the sky bright and sunny. Wednesday, little wave comes in with clouds and maybe some light rain by afternoon. Interesting to note, this is suggesting a chance of snow maybe for East Tennessee and the mountains of North Georgia, but just light rain for us. And then Thursday, curiously, the GFS kind of loses that wave, and we're dry. Other runs have shown a nice rain event here Thursday, and we're not changing the forecast. We're maintaining that good chance of rain on Thursday, despite this outlier of a run. And a week from today, this is Friday, the 22nd, You can see ridging beginning to build over the plain states. And again, that's cool and dry, 30s and 50s, exactly what we expect this time of the year. This is the end of the forecast period, Monday, January 25th. Troughing out in Southern California. And for us, that looks dry and fairly pleasant. Temperatures coming off the GEFS ensemble. You can see that spike down early next week. But after that, things look pretty good toward the end of January. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here, my next video by Monday morning at 7, Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the video updates here tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.